Hello, product hunters. I'm Carmen, marketer and copywriter at Identity. We are really happy to launch the very first version of the platform. We still have a lot of room for improvement, but let me show you how all this works with a little tutorial. Hey, welcome to Identity. Let me show you how all this works. First, to create an account, you must go to the main page and click on the Start My Portfolio button. Okay, so once you have created your account, you will enter to the editor, where you will be able to edit your portfolio with the top bar. You can change the color and the font of your portfolio. We will soon add templates so you can create your page even faster. Identity works with blogs. So if you click in any Add New Blog, you can add blogs to your portfolio and create it as you like. For example, you can add an experience blog and customize it. Just click on the text to change it. And if you are not sure what to write about, just answer these questions that appear in the blog. You can also move up, down, or remove any block. In Identity, we really believe in saving time using what we already have online. That's why we have integrations. For now, we only have Unsplash and YouTube, but we are working to have very soon other integrations such as LinkedIn, Instagram, and Behance. If you click on any photo of your portfolio, you can upload one of your own. Choose one from our gallery or use the Unsplash integration to find the one you like most. I'm going to choose this one. Once you have finished your portfolio, you can either publish it or preview it. As I'm happy with mine, I'm going to publish it straight away. When you click on Publish, you will see the two versions of your portfolio, the old one and the new one, so you can compare them both. And now let's go to the dashboard. Here, you can configure your portfolio settings, change your account details, and even your subdomain. And you already know Identity. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to contact us.